Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add multiple labels to one connector or branch in your diagrams on Coggle in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I did that here in that example diagram. Let me show you how you can do that as well. So what you will need to do is navigate to a diagram, and here with your first label of your diagram, with the starting label, click into one of these plus buttons to create your first connector. Click into it, hold your left mouse and move it anywhere you like, for example here. So what you want to do next is click into or right click into your connector to add a label, for example, or alternately you may click into that plus button at the end of your connector and connect it even more. Now what you want to do is, as you can see, we have another connector, but there's a small divider here. So what you need to do is click into that plus button again to start or to add your second connector or branch like this. And you can repeat that, as you can see. Simply click into that plus button, drag your connector like that, and release it to add your label to that connector. And you can do that also with other connectors by clicking into that plus button, starting a new connector, and using that divider here to start something like this, like a fork, for example, and that way have multiple of these connectors, each one with its own label at the end, and that way create your diagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.